Want to know how to design chairs that are showstoppers? Well, on today's episode, I'm going to share with you my 5 proven steps to designing an amazing chair. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you my 5 proven steps that I always abide by when I'm designing my chairs, and you're going to be sure to get a showstopper out of this. First, find a chair that appeals to you. Even if the fabric is ragged, if it's worn out, if it looks really in bad condition, don't worry about that. Train your eye to look at the shape of a chair. If that shape appeals to you, go for it. Get that chair, and that's going to be your number 1 step. Second, pick really bold fabrics. The bolder the better, in fact. You want drama on this chair. You'll want to keep the fabrics in plain view as you're working on things, as you're passing through your house. Keep glancing at the fabrics over several days. And over a little bit of time, you will know if that's the right fabric or not. Remember, your emotions never lie to you. If you're attracted to something, go for it. Number 3, then paint your chair. Remember, the fabric will always drive the paint color. So look for paints and paint colors that actually are pulled from the fabric. Black always increases the drama, so if that can work with your chair, go for it. Number 4, consider your fabric placement as you begin to work on your chairs. Fabric placement is everything on a chair. So you're going to want to take your time. You're going to want to play around with the fabrics, position them in different ways, and then see what appeals to you. When you feel that, oh my gosh, this looks amazing, go for that. Remember, your emotions never lie. Finally, when choosing your fabrics, you have my permission to change your mind. In fact, on this latest chair that I just did, I thought I would work with this fabric that looked more like a black and white scribble on the seat. But in the end, when I tried out that fabric versus the amazing fur, I went ahead and went with the fur. It was just more drama. So you have my permission to change your mind. Part of doing a makeover is being willing to take some risks. It's being willing to try some things. And remember, you can always redo the chair if you don't like it. Believe me, I've done that before, and it's worth it. I hope these 5 steps have helped you. Remember that you want to pick a great chair that has a wonderful shape. You want to be considerate of the fabrics. And then the fabric will always drive the paint color. And next, you want to think about fabric placement. That is everything on a chair. It increases the drama. And finally, you have my permission to change your mind. I hope, friends, that this has helped you to design a showstopper chair. I can't wait to hear and see what you'll design. See you soon.